Samsung may have started working on the new Galaxy Note flagship. Also in the leaks, we have Samsung RAM Plus features which adds virtual memory to 5G Galaxy handset. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest scoop. Samsung may have already begun work on the Galaxy Note 20 successor, a tweet from popular leaker Ice Universe implies. The leaker series are sourced in supply chain who have an evidence of the existence of the new Galaxy Note devices. Whether the new Note phone will be also known as a Note 21 or the Note 22 remains to be seen. The Galaxy Note 20 range was released last year, and although Samsung has not extensively said that the series is dead, some signs pointed out the possibility. Earlier this year, Samsung said that the company wouldn't release the Note flagship in 2021 because it would be difficult to release multiple flagship phones with S Pen compatibility within the year. The global chip shortage may also have played a part. The Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Z Fold 3 are the first non-Note phones to support a stylus. Samsung CEO has already said that the Note series would be back in 2022 and the launch time frame could change though. So guys, for now it's hard to say anything with certainty about the fate of the Note line. Although Samsung appeared to prioritize foldable phone and its latest Galaxy Z handset are off the good start, conventional smartphones still account for the greater part of the smartphone sale, and its de facto flagship for the Galaxy S21 series is reportedly performing poorly, and maybe next year we are going to see the Note devices back as well. There is a patent that has been registered for the Galaxy Note devices, and probably the Galaxy Note 20 devices will be coming with a stylus which will support not only as an S Pen but also act as a selfie camera, and it's going to be placed on the top side of the Galaxy Note series. So definitely this is going to be a great design if that patent is going to be happen as a reality. Also, that patent showcased that the S Pen camera module is going to be interchangeable, and you can take out the camera modules outside and take the picture using that S Pen, and it's going to be an interesting choice to have. Definitely we are looking forward towards the Note devices if that leak is true. Moving forward, Samsung RAM Plus features add virtual memory to the 5G Galaxy handset. An update pushed out by Samsung adds a new feature called RAM Plus to the Galaxy A52s 5G, and the update adds 4GB of virtual memory to the phone by using part of the phone internal ROM storage as a RAM. This is the same technology that ZTE used to increase the memory of Exon 30 for 8GB to 20GB, making it the first Android phone to carry out that much memory. So guys, all in all, the Galaxy Note series is not dead. We are still going to be seeing the Galaxy Note devices in next year, so definitely I'm looking forward towards more news that are going to be coming for the Note devices. Anyhow guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.